Today's project is a hallway makeover. We've got new VJ panelling that hasn't had any paint on it before, and also this beautiful timber trim that needs to be filled and stained as well. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do in this project is we're going to fill any holes in the VJ panels and the timber detail.
So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go.
And then once that's dry, we'll go in with a Dulux One Step Prep Primer. Now, when you purchase VJ panels, you'll find that they say pre-primed, but they're not pre-primed for painting. They're actually just pre-primed to keep the timber protected while they're in transit and on the shelf at the store. So it's really important not to skip this step, especially if you want longevity out of your paint project. So once the primer's dry, we'll go in with 2 coats of our top coat in our chosen colour.
On our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me.
And we will also finish, once the paint's dry, with the timber finish.
To run away